Hi, I'm Rick Ballard with Utility Composites. We're the manufacturers of Raptor composite fasteners. Today, I just want to take a little bit of time to introduce a couple tools that are used specifically for Raptor composite staples. This is our G-3PS Hammer Tacker, specifically designed to use with 16 and 19 gauge Raptor staples that are 7/16 inches in length and below. Let's show you how to load it up and get ready to use. So simply disengage the pusher, the rear sleeve of staples, and slide them in. Then place your pusher back in, fully lock it, and now you're ready to start hammering away. Raptor fasteners can be used in boat building, lumber tagging, lumber wrap, house wrap, cabinetry, general woodworking, case goods, furniture, and casket lining, composites manufacturing, fiberglass layup, resin transfer molding, foam joinery, radiant barrier installation, wire installation,